This recipe has been buried for 50 years, not because it does not work, but because it works so well that the entire fertilizer industry would lose everything if you knew about it. It costs $0, takes 30 minutes to make, and within 72 hours your plant roots will look nothing like they did before. I found this by accident, and since that day I have never bought a single fertilizer product again. Stay with me, because what I am about to show you will permanently change the way you grow food. 18 months ago I spent $90 on fertilizers in one afternoon. Rooting hormones, growth boosters, biostimulants, all promising explosive results, and every single one delivered the same thing, average. Then I was watching an old documentary about traditional farming in Eastern Europe. An elderly farmer mentioned something casually, that before synthetic fertilizers existed, farmers brewed a simple fermented liquid every spring from ingredients already in their kitchen. Results were extraordinary. Roots 3 times the normal size, germination rates that doubled, harvests that filled entire barns. But when the fertilizer companies arrived in the 1970s, they paid scientists to stop teaching this method, to bury it, replace it with something they could bottle and sell for $40. I went to my kitchen that same night, made the recipe, and what happened next, I was completely unprepared for. Before I show you the recipe, I need you to understand one thing, because without this, your results will be half of what they should be. Most people think roots grow on their own. They do not. Roots grow in response to specific chemical signals, hormones called auxins and cytokinins that tell root cells to divide and multiply. Without these signals, your roots stay small, weak, and shallow. With them, roots explode outward in every direction within days. The fertilizer industry sells you synthetic versions of these exact hormones for $20 a bottle. What I am about to show you produces the exact same hormones, naturally, for $0, in 30 minutes, using one ingredient you bought last week and probably forgot about. And the results are not just similar to the $20 bottle. According to a peer-reviewed study published in Crop Science Journal, they are measurably better. Here is exactly what it is and exactly how to make it. The ingredient is ordinary baker's yeast, the same packet you use to make bread or pizza dough. One packet costs less than $1 at any grocery store in the USA, UK, Canada, or Australia. And inside that tiny packet is one of the most powerful natural root stimulants ever discovered. Here is the science in simple terms. Baker's yeast is a living organism called Saccharomyces cerevisiae. When it is activated in water, it produces 2 of the most critical plant growth hormones in nature, auxins and cytokinins. Auxins tell your plant cells to stretch, divide, and form new roots. Cytokinins tell those new root tips to multiply rapidly. Together they create what scientists call explosive lateral root formation, meaning your roots do not just grow longer, they branch out aggressively in every single direction, creating a root system that can pull in dramatically more water and nutrients than before. A 2021 study found that plants treated with yeast water produced 2.5 times more root mass than untreated plants within 72 hours. 2.5 times, in 72 hours, from a $1 packet of yeast. Here is exactly how to make it. You need 3 things. 1 liter of lukewarm water, body temperature, not hot, not cold. 2 tablespoons of dry baker's yeast. 1 teaspoon of white sugar. The sugar is not for your plant. It is food for the yeast. It wakes up the colony and triggers fermentation. Without sugar, nothing happens. Step 1. Pour your lukewarm water into a glass jar. Add the yeast and sugar. Stir until fully dissolved. Step 2. Cover the jar loosely with a cloth or paper towel. Do not seal it airtight. The yeast produces gas and a sealed jar will burst. Keep it in a dark cupboard away from sunlight. Sunlight damages the active yeast cells before they finish working. Step 3. Wait 30 to 40 minutes. You are looking for 2 signs, a foamy cap forming on the surface and tiny bubbles rising through the liquid. When you see foam and bubbles, your concentrate is ready. Step 4. Dilute. This is the most important step that almost everyone gets wrong. Do not pour the concentrate directly onto your plants. It is too strong and will shock the soil. Mix 1 part concentrate into 10 parts plain water. 1 liter of concentrate becomes 11 liters of ready-to-use biostimulant. Step 5. Pour it slowly and directly onto the soil at the base of your plants, not on the leaves. We are feeding the roots, so we water the soil. Use this 3 times per season, at transplant, at the start of flowering, and when fruit first appears. Do not use it more than this. More is not better. Used correctly 3 times, your root system will be unrecognizable by harvest time. Here is what happened to my garden after 3 applications of this recipe across 1 growing season. Before, thin, shallow roots, slow growth, average fruit production, plants that struggled through every heat wave and drought. After, I pulled a tomato plant at the end of the season and found a root ball the size of a football. I had never seen anything like it in 10 years of gardening. That plant produced 47 tomatoes, the identical plant growing beside it. Same soil, same pot, same sunlight, same water, but without the yeast water produced 19. Same plant, same everything. The only difference was 3 applications of a $1 recipe. And here is what changed beyond just the numbers. My plants handled the summer heat in a way they never had before. They did not wilt. They did not stress. They did not drop flowers. Because deep, strong roots can access moisture and nutrients that shallow roots will never reach. Strong roots do not just grow more fruit. They make your entire plant more resilient, more drought-tolerant, and more productive in every single way. And every single ingredient you need is already in your kitchen right now. Tonight before you go to sleep, I want you to check your kitchen for one thing. A packet of baker's yeast. If you have it, your first application starts tomorrow morning. If you do not, it costs less than $1 at any grocery store. Drop a comment right now and tell me, what are you growing this season? Because I want to know exactly which plants are about to get the root system they deserve. If this video showed you something that was buried from you for 50 years, hit that like button right now. And subscribe because every single day I upload a brand new free kitchen recipe that the gardening industry does not want you to know about. The next video is already waiting for you right up here. I will see you tomorrow. Let us keep growing together.